Our U.S. customers and dealers in general have high expectations, not only towards our products, but also for the service level that we provide. If we look back a decade ago, our dealers were mainly working with price books and had to manually calculate their price based on a discount, typically in a spreadsheet that they developed on their own. Today, they can just enter our portal, pick the products that they need, get an accurate, up-to-date price, and create an order. Another important area is enablement and exchange with our customers, from landscape and agricultural dealers to our grower customers. To address that need well over a decade ago, we implemented our Netafim University program, through which we share best practices and technical information. Traditionally, this was all hands-on, but today it includes live online training as well. To ease the knowledge transfer and achieve a competitive edge for our dealers in terms of speed to offer, we digitalize the knowledge of our most experienced design engineers into a system. On projects up to 200 hectares, users can quickly locate the field in Google Maps, mark the field to be irrigated, and with a few clicks, the system calculates all the hydraulics, pressure, pipe diameters, and specifies pumps, filters, and other equipment that is needed. Especially now in this time of the COVID-19 pandemic, it really pays off that we invested in these digital tools early.